Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Misty Reads a Lot. Today we are diving into an exciting mystery novel by none other than Agatha Christie. It's not one of her famous Hercule Poirot or Miss Marple stories, but it's a thrilling standalone adventure titled They Came to Baghdad. If you are a fan of suspense, intrigue, and a little bit of exotic flair, this might be the perfect book for you. So let's get into it. They Came to Baghdad was first published in 1951, and the story is set against the backdrop of Iraq's capital, Baghdad. The plot follows Victoria Jones, a young British woman who unexpectedly finds herself in a complex web of espionage. What begins as an innocent trip to Baghdad to visit a friend turns into a high stakes adventure as she gets tangled up in political secrets, stolen documents, and a race against them. The book is filled with suspense and twists Christie's don't fall, and it keeps you on the edge of your seat as you try to figure out who is trustworthy and who is hiding secrets. One of the things I really loved about this book was the setting. Christie's choice to place a story in Baghdad really adds a layer of intrigue. It's not your typical British mystery novel, and I think the foreign setting gives it a unique vibe. There is something about the way she describes the exotic surroundings that immerses you into the atmosphere of the book. The themes of espionage, betrayal, and the search for truth are handled so well. You can feel the tension building throughout the novel as Victoria tries to navigate the dangerous situation she finds herself in. Now, let's talk about the characters. Victoria Jones is a likable protagonist. She is intelligent, resourceful, and brave, but she is also a bit naive at times. Watching her evolve from seemingly ordinary woman into someone caught up in a web of international intrigue was fascinating. The supporting characters were intriguing too, especially the mysterious men and women she meets along the way. Christie has a way of making even the smallest roles feel important, and you never really know who you can trust. I have to say, I really enjoyed They Came to Baghdad. The plot kept me guessing, and there were so many twists and turns that I never knew what was coming next. Christie has a gift for blending suspense with mystery, and this novel is no exception. While I did find the pacing a little slow in parts, the build up to the climax is totally worth it. If you love espionage thrillers with a classic twisty touch, this is definitely a book I would recommend. So, if you are looking for fast-paced, suspenseful read that's a bit different from the typical Christie mystery, I would say They Came to Baghdad a try. It's a hidden gem in a catalog that offers a fresh take on the mystery genre. If you have already read it, let me know what you thought of it in the comments below. And if you haven't, I would love to hear if you plan to pick it up. Thanks for listening to my review today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more book reviews and content. Until next time, happy reading, and also don't forget to buy the book if you haven't read yet, and the link is in my description below. So you can use that link to buy the book in Amazon. So, bye bye.